Hello YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to Succumb's channel. I'm here with another video. Behind me is my 2004 IS300. It threw a engine code or check engine light the other day, a few days ago, and well, we're here today to get to resolve that problem. Okay, so if you look at this here, check engine light is on. The traction control is constantly flashing. So I've had this problem in the past where I had to replace an O2 sensor, and it was actually under the passenger seat. You had to take the seat out, and the O2 sensor is under there. This one is in a completely different location. I'll go ahead and show you where that's at. Alright, but firstly I wanted to show you the code. See here. So this scanner I got from Events Auto. Cheap little scanner, probably like 10 bucks. Got it like maybe 15 years ago, somewhere around there. Not sure, don't remember. Alright, so P0037 heated oxygen sensor, heater control circuit low, bank 1 sensor 2. Alright, so it could either be circuit being low or the oxygen sensors, but I went ahead and pre-ordered the part. Is already here. So here's what I ordered, and I got all these off of Amazon. You can get anything nowadays on Amazon. So this is the oxygen sensor. Here's the part number. You can pause the video, take a look at it. Alright. Also got me a this is the oxygen sensor socket, where you, well, that's the part number. Also got anti-seize in case that package right there, that box doesn't come with any, and I got me some anti-seize. Let's see. And it does come with one, which is good. Alright. I will post description links to these things. You can purchase them on the Amazon in the description below, okay? Here's that socket I was talking about. It's a 3/8 right here. It's pretty good. It's better than that long one. That long one I have trouble, like every time I put it in, the wire gets stuck on top. But this looks like it's a better, it's made better for it. Okay, so it's hard to see, but here's the first one, and this one in the back. The one in the back is what we're replacing, which is bank 1 sensor 2. This top one is bank 1 sensor 1. So if you trace that line coming all the way back over here, it will be this plug, this connection right here is what we're taking off. It's the very top one. Okay, so I went ahead and took the wheel off. I'm not going to show you how to take the wheels. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do that already. Okay, I mean, you don't have to take the wheel off, but I find it easier that you do. So here's what we're dealing with right here. All right. Oh man, let's see. Probably I'm going to try to work right here without having to take this off. If I need to take this off, I'll take this off. Let's see here. I've already broken it loose, so I'll show you that much. Okay. Alright, stop twisting on me. It's like, it's easy, but not easy, because it keeps twisting back into position. Alright, here we go. Okay, let's get this thing up here. It's twisting on me. Alright, here we go. Right, okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Hang on 1 second. I'm trying to get you guys a good angle at this, but it's just not all that possible right now. Alright, probably the best angle I can get right here. If only it's not gonna. Keep trying to get it focused on. There we go. Alright. Let's see if we can get that to stay in there. Alright. Snug. Okay, where's that wire at? Oops. I'll bring it on top of that. It's under there. And here we go. Click. All right. Oh yeah, this go against the wall. You can go right there. Okay. Forgot to mention you got to erase the code, so I went ahead and disconnected the battery. I mean, you don't have to disconnect the positive, but I did it anyway. Wait anywhere from a minute or so, and then put it back on. Alright, putting that one back on. Let's go see if we erase the code. Alright, yeah, my maintenance light's on. I have to do an oil change, but I'm not worried about that. Okay. Alright guys, we did it. Alright, so we did it. That job took about less than 30 minutes or so. If you find this video helpful in any way, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Peace.